Hi friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I'm Khanzaj. First, I request all my beloved friends, please like and subscribe this unique channel because it is totally free of cost for you but highly encouraging for me. Thank you. Today, we overview on the most beautiful fertile landscapes and famous for golden domes in Kiev, the capital of Ukraine. Let's see for further information. Ukraine is the country in the Eastern Europe. It is the second largest by area in Europe after Russia, which is it borders to the east and northeast. Ukraine also shares borders with Belarus to the north, Poland, Slovakia and Hungary to the west, Romania and Moldova to the south, and has a coastline along the Sea of Azov and the Black Sea. It spans an area of 6,03,628 kilometers square with a population of 43 million. Ukraine is the 8th most populous country in Europe. Nation's capital and largest city is Kiev. Until regaining its independence in 1991, following the dissolution of the Soviet Union. Following its independence, Ukraine formed an unitary republic under the semi-presidential system with separation of power into legislative, executive and judicial branches. It declared itself a neutral state, forming a limited military partnership with Russia and other CIS countries, while also establishing a partner with NATO in 1994. Ukraine is a developing country with a lower middle income economy, ranking 74th in Human Development Index. Ukraine is the poorest country in Europe. However, due to its extensive fertile land, Ukraine is one of the largest grain exporters in the world. It is a member of United Nations, the Council of Europe. Ukraine is the country known for its beautiful and diverse landscapes, well-preserved culture and traditional beautiful women, and a terrible nuclear disaster. Actually, Ukraine is the largest country in the Europe, not including Russia. Ukraine has a great traveling connection to the most European countries. Ukraine is easily accessible for planes, trains, buses and boats. There are about 20 airports in Ukraine serving flights from all over Europe and beyond. Ukraine is the most recognized for its culture. The skyline of the Kiev is filled with golden domes, a symbol of Ukrainians architecture. There are over 900 churches and cathedrals building from Kievan Rus era till today. The most famous one is Saint Sophia Cathedral, a UNESCO site. Other buildings such as theaters, universities and mansions are a sight to behold all over the country. Hope you will enjoy this video and get more information regarding Ukraine. Thank you so much.